Hello everyone, new day of the adventure. We are now in Avignon. As you can see, it's a lovely city. The problem is that I don't have enough time to visit everything I wanted to visit. There would be at least 1 or 2 days worth of stuff to visit, and I have about 2 hours, so I'm gonna have to come back at a later date, but right now I'm just gonna try to see some of the key points, especially outside, so the gardens and the outside of the Pope's Palace, maybe the famous bridge as well. I don't know if I'm gonna have time to do everything, so yeah, I'm just gonna take you on a very short tour of this city, which is very lovely right now. Let's go. So this is one of the biggest, if not the biggest, Gothic monument in the world. It's pretty huge, and it was built in only 70 years, which is, all things considered, very impressive. And so of course you can visit it. It takes between 1.5 hours and 2 hours to visit, from what I've heard. Fortunately, I don't have the time to do that, plus other things, so it's gonna be something that I'm gonna do in a later adventure, I guess. So for now, we just have to admire its exterior and the rest of the square, which is a very nice place. I really enjoy it, and I really recommend to you guys, if you have the occasion, come and visit. It's very nice. there at the very top, what they call Le Roc. Meets the rock. What's very nice from here is that it's a nice little park, lots of trees, lots of birds, flowers as well, and you have a great view over the entire city. And the Pope's Palace is that way. And over there, you can see Mont Ventoux. And I'm gonna visit that in the next few hours. Because today is Easter day, they have hidden some eggs everywhere, chocolate eggs. So the children are really eager to find them all. That's really cool. Nice activity. It gets them to explore a little bit, which is nice. Here it is behind me, the famous bridge. Only half of it is left now, but it has been pretty well conserved. And before, it obviously connected the two sides of the river. And you can visit it, I just don't have the time to do it. So, best I can do is admire it from below. And this is obviously the wall that surrounds the entire city, just on the other side, compared to just before. And I'm just gonna go and traverse the city back to the hotel and get the bike and get going.
And it was time for me to hit the road again. In about an hour, I would be at the top of the local mountain called Mont Ventoux.
down the slopes of Mont Ventoux, and I'm gonna fly the drone. We're not at the summit yet, but it's already very nice. The road is really cool. So here's what it looks like from above.
Mont Ventoux is very famous among cyclists. Having hosted the Tour de France for many years, the ascension takes about 2.5 hours for a well-trained cyclist. All three itineraries are about 21 kilometers long, with an average slope of 7.5% and a maximum slope of 12%. And here I was, at the very top of the mountain, which felt a little bit like the top of the world for an instant, considering that the surroundings are relatively flat and well below the summit, extending as far as the eye can see about 1,500 meters below. The geography of this place is quite intriguing. Starting in a dense pine forest, the road winds up the side of the mountain, revealing an increasingly bare landscape, almost moon-like at the top. The white rocks that surround the summit almost look like an eternal layer of snow from afar. There's always a lot of wind up here, with a maximum of 320 kilometers per hour recorded in the year 1967. Apart from tourists and cyclists, a weather station can be found, as well as a radar used for airspace monitoring and air traffic control. Eating my well-deserved lunch while admiring the truly wonderful 360-degree view that this place offers, it was already time for me to go back down towards my next destination, a charming medieval village located about 45 minutes away to the east. Everything was going according to plan until I stumbled upon what seemed to be an accident. With emergency services already working at the scene, a large column of vehicles had started to form, as the road was completely blocked. One clear advantage of being on a motorcycle is that turning around is not a problem at all in such a situation.
So the GPS says that there is a route here, which is a dirt road, that should be a tremendous shortcut. So, you know, what a good idea that is. Let's just try to hit the dirt and see where it leads. Let's go.